Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech products. So in this video I'm going to talk about the upcoming Meta Quest 3. So I will talk about the price, the specs and the expected release date. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's get started now. First off, let's talk about the price. The Meta Quest 3 comes in at $499 US for 128GB model. Considering the features, the Meta Quest 3 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 CPU and comes with whopping 12GB of RAM. This means you can expect some serious smooth performance. It has a LCD display with 2064 by 2208 pixel per eye and a refresh rate of 120Hz. This ensures crystal clear visual for all your VR experience. Despite its high-end specs, the Meta Quest 3 weighs at just 509 grams, make it comfortable for extended use. And speaking of extended use, it has a battery life up to 3 hours, so you can immerse yourself in your favorite VR worlds for longer. Best of all, it's backward compatible. That means you can still play all your favorite games from previous Meta Quest models. The Meta Quest 3 is expected to release on September 27, so mark your calendars. I will be doing a deep dive into its features and performance after its release, so stay tuned. That's it for today. If you are excited about Meta Quest 3 as I am, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.